Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladly Tech. In this video I'll be talking about how to convert your USDT to TOM on Bybit. So if you want to convert your USDT to TOM on Bybit, this video is for you. So what you have to do is this: tap on your asset. That's the first step. The next thing you have to do is to tap on the convert. So when you tap on the convert, you make sure that the first from should be USDT. So tap on that arrow icon there. So select USDT, then the second arrow icon you select TOM because you want to convert to TOM. So tap on TOM. The next thing you have to do is to enter the amount that you have on your USDT, or if you want to convert all the USDT that you have to TOM, you just tap on the max there. So when you tap on the max, all the money, all the USDT that you have will be converted, will be inputted here. Then the next thing you have to do is to tap on quotes. So when you tap on quotes, when you tap on quotes, the transaction will be confirmed. Then you tap on confirmed. The next thing you have to do is to click on view assets, because after tapping on your quotes, you confirm your transaction, and the next thing, the transaction does not take too much time, so it will take place immediately. You can now view your asset to see that your USDT has been converted to TOM. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.